economies in different industry sector, sector by sector. That's what I want to look at. I want to witness to some extent the transformative impact of the circular economy principle, across those different sectors, showcasing the versatility but also adaptability, for you to understand that it can fit pretty much anywhere. Hello, everybody. I am Tony Chi. I'm the founder here of Renewables in Africa. What we do is very simple: it's to spread awareness about renewables energy in Africa, but also across the globe. So, if you are a project developer, if you're an EPC owner, so if you are an investor, a supplier, and you're looking to tap into Africa or to expand into the beautiful continent, I want you to be reaching out to me. Because I want to show you how you can 10x your return on investment. You're probably going to be asking me, how are you going to do that, Tony? Very simple. I want to show you how, by using our awareness packages, we can help you, number one, to grow and to reach out better to your target audience, and number two, to grow your business. And I just want to show you in number three how we'll be able to do that with some other company. And I want to make sure that the same thing happened to you. Simple as that, right? Excellent. So the circular economy find its application across a spectrum of industry. So we're talking about here manufacturing, we're talking about fashion, we're talking about electronics, we're talking about agriculture, and each of them are adopting circular principle, to address specific challenges and also specific opportunity. Let me give you a fact that is important to mention. So the fashion industry is notorious, as we know, for its waste. You see this guy walking on the catwalk, probably wear those clothes just one time and just throw that away. But in here, the fashion industry, they could be embracing circularity through innovative initiative, like for example, clothing rental, material recycling, sustainability sourcing, and also dramatically altering, the environmental footprint. And that's something I believe it's important enough to underline it. Yeah, isn't it? Excellent. So the circular economy in another sector that is electronic. That's another sector where we see a lot of waste. How many times did you have a laptop or a mobile phone, smartphone, just use it for 6 months? Then you want to renew, go for the new one. Yeah. So what's going to happen to the old one? Do you ever think about that? So not a lot, right? But those are waste. Yeah. But we now have company coming up with what we call take back scheme, and I'm sure you've seen that already. Where they say that, okay, you give us, we give you a new phone, obviously for a better plan. That's what they say. Costs more money. Guess what? But they take back your old phone and they dispose it in a very specific way. Yeah. So you have those take back scheme. You have modular design as well that they could be doing, and also they have refurbishment program to extend the product life cycle and reduce e-waste. And that is something I believe we have to do, and we have to also acknowledge, encourage this company to do more of that. Yeah, that's what is important. So in agriculture and food system as well, so you can completely reimagine, circular economy through regenerative practices. What are we talking about in here? Talking about practices like closed loop farming, or effort to minimize food waste. What you want to do is to enhance at the same time sustainability, but also food security. So there is multiple sectors like that we could see, and we know that having circular economy principle will really help. So the adaptability of circular economy principle varies across sectors, and underscore as well the potential, to foster a global shift completely to sustainability, driving innovation, but also resilience in the face of environmental changes. So these are example of few sectors, and I promise you there's many other sectors where circular economy could fit just as well. Yeah, but I just wanted to give you those few examples for you to picture and figure out how is it applied already in some key sector that we see, and already you imagining how you can do just the same. So hopefully those examples speak to you. If you happen to have another example you want to talk about, hey, why don't you drop a message, leave me a comment to let me know what it's all about, right? But in between, I like you to like this video, I like you to share this video, and let me know what is the one thing that you could remember for what I've said over the last 4 minutes. Yeah, 4 or 5 minutes. So I'll see you tomorrow. Guess what? We have another topic we want to talk about. Bye bye.